saying because I'm
Oh. She's a baby. On the dance floor. Acting like she knows. Wow. She's like, where's the maniac? Where's the maniac? Walk by the door. What would you do if you just look through the door and you just see a student go? She'd be like, are you sick? Are you sick? Are you ill? And so down you go, down you go. Are you ready, guys?
Are we going to do it again? Or?
Do you want to do it again, or do you think we're ready? Are you sick? Are you, hey, Mrs. Heath? Mrs. Heath, are you ill? If you are, down you go. Down you go. You can go lay in the bed in the office, and down you go. Mrs. Heath. Hey, Mrs. Heath? You Miss Madeira Beach. Yeah, mad. That's what I am right now.
Let's sell this chair over here.
Seriously? I think I'm so mad. Your students were crazy in there. They broke 2 chairs. One was dancing in circles. She was a maniac. A maniac on the dance floor. Do you want to see what she was doing? She was doing something like... No, she'll be like this. She'll be like... No, she'll be like... She took it low. She took it low. She got down a little bit lower. Like this. Okay. This is what she did. Okay, ready, guys? Ready? Okay. You guys got the yearbooks made? Okay. Are you ill? Shucks. Oh my god. I'm just waiting for her. Just reaching. She mean that kind of you. And then her hair like bounces. Or she'll be like this. I did it to yesterday. She was looking at me and I was like, Angelica, patty cake. I'm that maniac thing. Are you ill?
Let's go through it one time so we don't have to do anything else for the rest of the day.